It's a update for ChatGPT free users that you can now access ChatGPT memory feature across your chats. To enable it, pull the left navigation bar and click on your profile and select personalization. Here you have to turn on learn from your chats button if it is off. By clicking manage memory, you can manage your memory like deleting a memory or deleting all your memories. Let's create a new chat from here and write a prompt here I'm writing that I am a YouTuber and my channel name is Code with AI. From now onwards, ChatGPT will remember that I am a YouTuber and my channel name is Code with AI. Here you can click on memory updated to view that what ChatGPT saved here. User is a YouTuber and their channel name is Code with AI. You can also click on manage memory from here. I'm writing next prompt that I have 48 subscriber and ChatGPT automatically save that I have 48 subscriber. I can also update any memory by writing a prompt like oh no it's wrong. I have 49 subscriber and ChatGPT automatically update my previous memory of 48 subscriber to 49 subscriber. We can view that memory by clicking on memory updated and by clicking on manage memories we can here see that ChatGPT has only two memories, a memory of 49 subscriber and the first one. So you can also update any memory by writing a prompt. I'm writing my third prompt like from now onwards you are alpha my personal assistant and ChatGPT also saved this memory. Understood how can I assist you to the user. In if I create a new chat, ChatGPT act like a Jarvis, alpha my personal assistant. Like I can say to ChatGPT that who you are. ChatGPT is saying that I'm alpha your personal assistant by accessing memories. I can also ask ChatGPT that how many subscribers I have, and ChatGPT will answer that I have 49 subscriber. It's a very cool feature. Guys, if you enjoying my video, you can help me to grow my channel from 49 subscribers to 1k. This memory feature also help you in your coding task. Like I can say to ChatGPT that I know Python and I am a Python developer. In future, ChatGPT will write any code in Python by accessing memories. Like I can say write a code to get time and date, and ChatGPT automatically write the code in Python language by accessing my previous memories. So it's very helpful in coding task also. In next chat, I'm going to create a shopping list and ChatGPT will remember my shopping list for my future chats. So here is my shopping list of 2 kg onion, 1 kg tomato and 250 gram of red chili, 1 kg of rice and 250 gram of curd. ChatGPT saying that got it, here is your shopping list. But here ChatGPT not save this shopping list in his memory. So I'm going to write a prompt like update it in your memory and ChatGPT will save this shopping list in his memory from now. Your shopping list has been updated in my memory. Okay, I can access this shopping list uh, anywhere in my chats. Like here, I'm saying that I am in a grocery store and I purchase onion, potato, rice is anything I forgot, and ChatGPT saying that I forgot tomatoes, red chili, and curd. And in next, I'm saying that okay, thanks a lot, ChatGPT. And I'm saying that I purchased all now. And ChatGPT update my previous memory of shopping list with a blank, and I can view it. Forget the user shopping list. Okay, it's saying forget the user shopping list because I purchased all the items. In the next chat, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a recipe uh, accordingly to the items that I purchased from the grocery list. And ChatGPT write a recipe of fried rice with ingredients of that I purchased from the grocery store that ChatGPT remembered. So we can use this feature in many ways, and ChatGPT will create, update, or delete any memory automatically. In the next chat, I'm going to write that my birthday is on 26th of June. Okay, don't forget to wish me alpha. But here ChatGPT did not save my birthday as a memory. Sometimes you have to mention to save in memory. Here in the next chat, I'm going to ask ChatGPT that today is 26th of June, but ChatGPT did not get that today is my birthday because in previous chat ChatGPT did not save my birthday as a memory. Okay, I am asking ChatGPT in other ways like alpha anything you forgot today, but ChatGPT will not access that memory because it did not create that memory of my birthday. So on my previous chat, I'm going to write save it in your memory. From now onwards, ChatGPT will remember that my birthday is on 26th of June. In the new chats, I can ask ChatGPT that today is 26th of June. Uh, is there anything special today? Special today. And ChatGPT saying that yes, today is your birthday, happy birthday, and also wishing my birthday. Guys, on 26th of June is not my birthday. I use 26th of June as my birthday date for this video only. I think I'm updating ChatGPT to delete that my birthday memory by saying I think it's wrong date today. It's not my birthday, and ChatGPT will automatically delete that birthday memory from memories. And here memory updated, and ChatGPT saying that got I have removed the memory of your birthday. By going to manage memory section, you can delete any memory or delete all your memories. By long pressing on any memory, you can forget that memory from ChatGPT memories. If you don't want to delete memory by one, you can clear all your memories by clicking clear ChatGPT's memory. Clear memory, and all your memories has been cleared from now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you want more videos on ChatGPT tutorials or OpenAI APIs tutorial, then please click on the subscribe button and turn on bell icon and get updated with new generative AI or any other artificial intelligence update. So guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video.